Hello, I want to make a video for you to show you how to do it. So you can edit the stones whenever you want. So these are the change on surface. So if I want to edit, I can edit. If I want to move this one, I can move it wherever I want. Alright, and now if I want to, let me show it, hide it. So now if I want to make this one bigger because the distance is too big, I can go on the command bar, click on gem, and if I go to override, I will find the command here. I want to override this stone, so now I have it here, and now I can edit it, so I can change the stone size. So the gem override is to change the size, not to keep moving it on the surface. If you want to move it on the surface, you need to do it first while you are doing the gems on surface, right? So hope this video helps you. Thank you.